In our previous video, we have learned about the color wheel. Now we will learn tint, shade and tone. Hue. Any pure color in the color wheel is hue. Tint. Mixing white color with hue, we get tint of that hue. That makes it lighter. Now my honey bunny is picking a random hue from that color wheel. Oh, red! By mixing different percentages of white color with this red color, we are getting different tint of this red color. Say for the yellow, pink, green, or any hue of this color wheel. Shade. Mixing that color with hue, we get shade of that hue. That makes it darker. By mixing different percentages of black with red, we get shades. Now the same for the other colors. Tone. By mixing different percentages of gray color, we get tone. So, hue plus white color, we get tint. Hue plus black, we get shade. And hue plus gray, we get tone. Tint, shade, tone are the monochromatic colors of the color wheel.